Alright, meron na naman tayong i-unbox. Ito ang Xiaomi Mi Smart Clock. So nabili ko to sa isang Xiaomi concept store somewhere in Alabang. This is a smart clock na pwede mong bigyan ng command. And kung nakikita nyo dyan sa top ng box, okay Google. Alright. A little history lang about the OK Google. Back in the day, maybe probably around 2012, they developed a virtual assistant. Hindi pa kaputukan ng AI nun, pero Google is really ahead of their time back then. So, the OK Google was created for selected devices that can, they call it hot word or wake word for the selected devices, and it will prompt a virtual assistant, which what we call Hey Google command sa mga panahon ngayon. I think yung Hey Google was introduced when they have a Google I/O event, and instead of saying okay Google every now and then, they consider to change it and develop it as Hey Google, which is more popular nowadays. Pero ngayon meron ng Gemini eh. So baka Gemini na yung mas popular or ginagamit ngayon. Alright, a little trivia lang. So kuha lang akong chocolate. See you. Snickers. So pag inopen nyo yung box, makikita nyo kagad yung ating smart clock. Pero unahin muna natin tong box na to. Ayan. Merong logo ng cable or charger. Sa mga hindi pa naka-purchase ng smart clock na ito ay hindi rechargeable. Ang charging port nito or power port nito ay micro USB. Meron tayo ditong user manual. Basahin nyo naman kahit sa beses lang. Yan, wala nang ibang laman yung box natin. Tingnan natin tong smart clock. Ang screen size nito ay 4 inches. Meron siyang full color touch display with resolution of 800 by 480 pixel. Ang weight nito is around 272 grams. Ang speaker naman nito is 1.5-inch full-range speaker. Ang Bluetooth version nito is 5.0. Peel muna natin tong cover since bago siya. So, ang package content natin ay Mi Smart Clock, power adapter, at user manual.